Hello everyone, have a nice day. This is K.Balasaranya, working as assistant professor in the Department of CSE, RMD Engineering College. In this video, we are going to learn about the concept called string tokenizer in Java. In Java, string tokenizer is a utility that can be used to break a string into tokens. Let us see how it is done. Here is an insight over what is string tokenization. So here I have taken an example. Java is programming language. When we pass this into string tokenizer class and when we apply certain built-in methods over this text, then the tokens generated or Java is programming language. So we will have these four tokens. Java is programming language separately. This concept is called string tokenization. Now, let us see in detail about what is the characteristic of the string tokenizer predefined class in Java, where it has been defined, how to write the constructor for the string tokenizer in this video. Actually, the string tokenizer class is a built-in class in Java that is available in java.util package. It is used to break the given string, given text into tokens. It is very simple way to break a string. Other ways are also there, like in string class, we are having string.split method that is defined using split method in order to tokenize your string. Or else manually, we can write a program in order to tokenize it regarding with respect to that space. We can write the program and store it in an array, and you can print the tokens. But this is the handy way string tokenizer. Using string tokenizer class and its methods are considered as handy way to tokenize the string. So here tokens are nothing but smaller substrings or words that can be processed individually. Okay. And coming for delimiters, you can, in the previous example, we have seen space as a delimiter. You need not use space alone. You can provide your own delimiter. By default, space is a delimiter, but if the programmer wants to provide the delimiter, his own delimiter, for example, in email and all, if we want to separate the tokens, we can give the delimiters as at dot, so that wherever there is at, the tokens have been separated based on that delimiter. Similarly, if we are having dot, the tokens will be separated. So this delimiters we can provide at the time of creation, or whenever in the program we want to provide this delimiter in the runtime, that is also possible. Coming for the constructors of the string tokenizer class, there are three constructors in this string tokenizer class. So based on the constructor, you know the meaning of constructor. Constructor are nothing but it is constructor. Constructors are used to initialize the object of the class. Constructor are used to initialize the object of the class. So in string tokenizer predefined class, there are three constructors. The first one is string tokenizer, and it accepts one argument which is nothing but string. So it creates string tokenizer with the specified string. That means the tokenizer uses default delimiter, which is default delimiter white space. In white space may be space, tab, new line, or a return, or a form field, whatever it may be. White space is considered as default delimiter. When the user programmer doesn't specify the delimiter, then default delimiter will be taken into account. Default delimiter is white space. Okay, so the first constructor, when you initialize the string tokenizer object using first constructor, then the default delimiter is considered as white space. Coming for the second one, string tokenizer, and it accepts two arguments. One is string str, another one is string delimiter. As usual, this string str is nothing but string on whom we have to process. So this constructor creates a string tokenizer for the specified string str with the specified delimiter given by delim. Again, this delimiter is a set of string. So the characters in this delim string are used as delimiters. Coming for the third one, string tokenizer with three arguments. This constructor accepts three arguments. One is the string, next one is delimiter string. The third parameter is called return delimiter. So this constructor creates a string tokenizer for the specified string with specified delimiter. The role of return delimiter I will explain. So this return delimiter parameter indicates whether the delimiter should be returned as tokens or not. In addition to string token, if I want to return the delimiter itself as token, then you have to specify the third parameter as true. Can you see the third parameter is Boolean return value. That means if I want to return delimiter itself as string token along with the original token, then specify here as true, or else it will be false. Let us see one simple example how to use the constructor. See, can you see? As usual, public class name, public static void main, string tokenizer, which is the class name. This class is predefined class available in java.util package. So first you are importing this java.util string tokenizer. Then here we are doing class instantiation, which is nothing but object creation. So string tokenizer, some object name, it's a user defined name. We can give anything equal to new, any valid identifier you can use here is equal to new dynamic memory allocation operator, string tokenizer, again class name, but as a whole when you see this is a constructor. So string tokenizer, this is a constructor, and this example exhibits the second constructor, which is nothing but the string and then delimiter. Hello everyone, have a nice day, and then the delimiter is space. Okay, so the hello everyone, have a nice day will be tokenized in such a manner with the delimiter as space here. So at last the tokens will be hello everyone, have a nice day. These are the tokens generated. So this count tokens will give you the number of tokens. This is a method of your string tokenizer class, the predefined method. This methods, what are the methods available? What are the functions of each and every method? We will see in the next video. Hope this video is helpful for you. Happy programming. Enjoy programming. Thank you.